Welcome back to the channel. My name is Cookie and today you're watching another Cookie Cully video. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, which is kind of rare nowadays. I apologize in advance for the audio since I am not using any of the external mic. Normally when you buy stuff in Japan or in the Aniplex official website of Japan, they only ship locally, so that's why I used a proxy buying service company. What they mainly do is they buy stuff from the official site that can only ship locally in Japan, and once they receive the item on their end, they will basically ship out the item towards us. And yeah, once again, they're called Japan Rabbit. They never fail to provide their service. I always love using them. Also, once again, my voice is kind of losing every morning nowadays. It's been 3 days, well, 3 mornings in a row that I'm losing my voice. I think it's just a side effect of being in winter because that tends to happen every winter season. But yeah, I'm gonna start cutting this. Now hopefully it's the right items that I'm actually mentioning, because I did buy another item through this website, or using this service at least. So if I'm wrong, it could be the other item and not the Figment Order one, but I'm pretty sure this is the Figment Order one. Now this is a weird unboxing video too, because normally I put like, you know, a bit of cinematic B-rolls and stuff, but I tend to do this more relaxing now, you know, just to put a camera in front of my face and do the unboxing there. Okay, so it's not the Figment Order merch, which is kind of surprising because it shipped before this one, but yeah, false alarm, it's not the Figment Order, but something I would say is also just as good, and it's the life-size plushie of the Curse Worm from JJK, which is right here. Damn, it actually looks better than I expected. If you just want to, you know, do a simple cosplay, this is actually pretty cool. Now there's a bit of a metallic string in it, inside the plushie itself, just so you can change the form of it. So yeah. Huh. Does it come with a string actually? Maybe not. Yo, this is tight. Dude, what the hell? Sheesh. Okay, look at this. God damn. Nah, this is fire. Yo, I might even like do some videos and have this behind me, not gonna lie. But yeah, that's just the Curse Worm from JJK. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please hit the like and subscribe if you guys want to see more. Till then, I'll see you guys in the next one.